Hey guys, it's Linda back again with another video. So it's Fabulous Friday and I'm bringing you a what's in my purse video. I don't know about you guys, but I personally love these types of videos. I just love seeing what everyone else has in their purse, and I do feel like someone's purse is like almost like being in someone's room. Like it's kind of a little taste of their taste and you know what kind of things that they like. So let's get into the video and I hope you guys enjoy it. So I have a big tote, and the bigger the purse, the more I stuff into it. You know, I like small purses too, or little cross bodies for like every day. But when I have my big bag, you know, I mean business, and I just put everything in it. So let's get started. I'm going to start first with this little compartment here and show you what's in there. 4 things in there, okay? So the first thing is some gum. I also have a packet of extra in spearmint, just, you know, so you don't have funky breath. I also have a Jergens body butter in lavender. Ooh, if you guys haven't tried this, you need to. This Jergens is the best. Like, I personally love Jergens just as a, you know, like a hand cream. But this lavender one, so good. And then I have my go-to holy grail, my Vaseline Lip Therapy in Rosy Lip. I have a few of these. Do any of you guys have like a chapstick for everything? Like a car chapstick, a purse chapstick, a house chapstick? You know what I mean? Like, I was just having that conversation with my boyfriend and he thought I was crazy, but like I have to have a chapstick in every location because just if you can't find it, if you don't have one, it's like serious. So that's enough of that. I'm gonna open my little, I guess, makeup bag, wallet bag that comes with the bag. So I just have my headphones in here and my sunglasses. They're a little dirty, but they look like this. And I also have the little cloth to wipe them. These are just your little average. I think I got these on Amazon. Don't know the style, but they're a little cute. Oversized sunglasses are my jam. Okay, so your girl needs a new wallet because this one's a little beat up, but I love it. So I got it at the Calvin Klein store, so that's why I don't want to get rid of it because it was expensive, and I love like nude and camel type of colors for things. So it is Calvin Klein, and as you can see, she's been well loved. This is the wallet that I don't use often. Now, the wallet that I do use, just because I like little wallets. So I got this as a gift years ago. Had it forever. I don't know what the brand is. It says here inside Bandu, I don't know if you can see that, BAN.DO with a line above the O. So this is where I have my debit card, my driver's license, and like a little bit of cash if I need it. This is the one that I take to the store. You know, like because of the pandemic, I try not to carry a purse or anything like that. So if I'm going grocery shopping or somewhere, I like this because I have my keys on a lanyard and I just hook this onto the lanyard. So I don't have to touch anything, I don't have to bring anything, and I just hook this on to my lanyard and I just do my shopping hands-free with nothing. So that's why I like this one. I like a little wallet for every day. I have a little bottle of water. It's a Kirkland. Shout out to Costco. Do you guys shop at Costco? Let's get some pandemic realness in here. I have my citrus hand sanitizer gel. The brand is called All Good. Makes everybody better. And I have a mask. So I haven't used this one yet, but I like to carry like a just in case masks. I usually have one mask in my car, like one mask in my jacket. I have like, do you guys do this? Do you guys have like a special mask for certain things? Like if you have full makeup on, like you have a mask that's like for makeup because it's a little dirty on the inside, or you have one for when you don't wear makeup and it's like not dirty. I don't know. Do you guys have a car mask and a house mask or whatever? Oh my God. Okay, so don't ask me why, but you never know when you might need it. I have a little Nutella to go. Just never know, okay? In what situation you might need it, but like if you need it, you're ready. So I have these Power Crunch bars. So good. You guys have to try them. Not sponsored. None of my videos are sponsored, so I just love stuff. So this is really good. It is 13 grams of protein, only 5 grams of sugar, pretty filling, and they taste so good. Like, you know how some protein bars just taste gross and they're supposed to taste sweet and delicious, and they just taste like sweet protein? These taste like cookies, so they're really good. I have body spray. This one is called Frosted Snow Blossom by Bath and Body Works. Obviously it's new. I got it for Christmas and I haven't used it yet, but it smells really good. And then this one I use a lot. It's almost gone. Don't know where the cap is, but this one is Ralph Love by Ralph Lauren. And I like this one because it reminds me of like me being a teenager. That makes sense. Like, it's so girly and fruity and like strong that it smells like the type of perfume that you wear like when you're a teenager and you just like, super strong and bathe in it. I love that. And the last thing in my purse is my huge makeup bag. So this one, oh man, I got it dirty. It says, "You're like really, really pretty." Isn't that cute? My mom got this for me for Christmas. One of many things, but the reason I love it is because like for traveling, this is such a good size. Look how huge it is. You can put like full palettes in here, all of your makeup. I love it. So let's see what I got in my bag of tricks. So I normally don't carry this much makeup on me in my purse, so don't be fooled. I just happen to have this makeup bag with stuff because I went out earlier and I did my makeup in the car. It was a long story, but I had something to do and ended up doing my makeup in the car. So that's why I have like full makeup in here. I don't carry this much makeup on a regular basis. Usually just like a lipstick or something. Of lipsticks, let's start with lip stuff. I have 3 different lipsticks because you just never know, and sometimes you layer them on. So I have a liquid lipstick, a tube of lipstick, and a lip gloss. And these are like my essentials, like what I wear almost daily. The first one is my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick. This is the color Ashton. I love this color. I got this at Marshall's. So I remember it was like $6.99 or something like that. So I love this. And I remember they had a lot and I kind of regret not getting more because I love this one. And it's like one of those things that you'll never find again. So the tube of lipstick I have is by MAC. It is called Velvet Teddy. This is also another nude that I'm always wearing. It's kind of similar to the liquid one. It's like very similar in color. I love this. This is so pretty, and like I just love the smell of MAC lipsticks. They have like a cocoa butter smell to them. I also have a Anastasia Beverly Hills mirror. It's just a little 2-sided mirror and it has inside the little Anastasia on the mirror, and then on the outside it has the logo. I have a palette in here and this one is by MAC and it is the MAC Selena collection. MAC has had 2 Selena collections. I've always bought them. I have the first one and I have the second one. MAC can come out with a Selena collection forever, every year, and I will buy them all. So this has a mirror on it and has the little protective seal on it and has a picture of Selena and her little bustier that matches the cover. And it says MAC Selena, so beautiful. And then these are the colors. Love them. I honestly try not to use this palette very often because I'm more of a collector, but when it comes to my Selena stuff, I'm more of a collector, but I do love it, so I will use it every now and then. Also by MAC, I have the MAC blot powder. It is awesome. So this is not a pressed powder that you put on over your foundation. This is translucent. This has no color to it. It looks like it does, but it's not. This is to mattify your skin. So as soon as your makeup is done, this is for blotting. You just pat it whenever you get shiny. I mean, I'm not shiny right now, but you pat it in the areas that you need throughout the day, and this will matte your skin. Love this. This was recommended to me by a MAC employee when I was shopping. I don't know if she just got me or if she really believed in this product, but I personally have had good luck with this, so it's good. Oh, I didn't show the other lip product. This was a lip gloss. This is the e.l.f. lip lacquer in Mauve Glitz, and I love this. This is just like a nice topper. It's, you know, nude, but it has a little glitter, and it goes good on any nude lip. And it gives you like a nice little shine. So I need to go get another one because I'm running out, but this has been my favorite foundation, and it's drugstore. It's the L'Oreal 24-Hour Wear Infallible Pro Matte. If you have like oily or combination skin, you're gonna love this because this really keeps you matte all day, like all day. You don't even have to bake. Like, this is how matte it keeps you. I love this. I also have the Maybelline Instant Age Eraser. This is an amazing concealer. You guys have to try this. I was a little skeptical because of the little cushion puff on top. I know I've heard that people say like, oh, it can get dirty and germy because you can't wash it. You can clean this, you can wash this. So it doesn't have to stay dirty. Mine is dirty right now because I used it, but you can wash this so it doesn't have to stay dirty and you won't break out. I have just a regular NYX blush. This one is in Mocha. One of my favorite all-time favorite mascaras is the Milk Kush mascara. If you haven't tried it, definitely try it. It is awesome, and it also has like a really good applicator, and it's so like chunky. You see that? Like really separates your lashes. Love it. And then I have my Kat Von D Lock-It Setting Spray. This is my favorite setting spray. It's perfect. Oh, and then the last thing, I guess I put it in here, I have like emergency earrings. Do you ever like walk out of the house and realize like, I forgot earrings, and I feel naked without my earrings? So I always have like a little emergency pair for just in case. The first one is a pair of studs because I like to gravitate towards studs like for a daily wear. These are just like little like rhinestones and pearl studs. And then I also have some little hoops that I like to wear. They're so cute. They're rhinestones and they're dark hoops like that. Aren't these adorable? They're by Coach. I don't know if you can see it, but they're engraved inside and they have like the Coach logo. These were a gift like years ago. I've had these for years. Like back when I was in college. One of my friends got this for me for my birthday. So I still wear them because they're super good quality and they haven't changed in color. They're not like cheap. So love these. Okay, so that is all. My purse is empty now. I hope you guys enjoyed my what's in my purse video. I don't think it was anything like too crazy or anything too special. It's just, you know, the basics. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know if there's anything fun or funny that you like to carry around in your purse, or if your purse looks a little similar to mine and you carry similar items, let me know. As always, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell icon if you want to get notifications every time I upload new videos. My videos go up every Tuesday and Friday. Tuesday are Budget Babe videos, and Fridays are Fabulous Friday videos. Thank you guys so much for joining me on today's Fabulous Friday, and I will be seeing you guys on Budget Babe Tuesday. Bye, guys.